Hey guys, build a successful career in AI. Postgraduate program in artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's a 12-month of course. Download voucher. Application closing date 29th March 2022. India first artificial intelligence program. 66% alumni career transitions. 48% average salary hike. Stories of excellence of your learners for the artificial intelligence and machine learning courses, advanced career growth, industry relevant curriculums, Python deep learning, computer visions, NLP, machine learning, neural networks. What are the added benefits in versus 222? Industry sessions, practice hackathons, practice case studies, connect sessions with peer career coaching sessions, company sponsored hackathons designed for working professionals. Gear up for the future becoming an AI professional. Get started by clicking and downloading voucher. Thanks for watching us. Bye bye. Take care.